They told us the future was perfect, silent, clean, unstoppable. They told us we'd never have to look back again. But what if I told you? They lied, hidden costs, performance letdowns, and one shocking flaw no one is talking about. The 2026 Tesla Model X isn't just another car. It's the moment where the dream meets the truth. Because behind that flawless design, that whisper-quiet motor, and that futuristic glow hides something Tesla doesn't want you to see. Pause the kind of truth that doesn't appear in glossy ads, the kind that could change how you see not just this car, but the entire idea of perfection itself. Tesla promised freedom, effortless power, endless range, a new era without compromise. And for a while, we believed it. The world did. We believed in a company that dared to change everything, one that made silence sound powerful and speed feel pure. But step outside the controlled tests and numbers, and the truth starts to whisper. Those 350 miles of range, they don't last the same under pressure. The highway eats into them. The wind cuts them down. Hills, weight, speed, they all demand something back. Because perfection on paper doesn't survive the road. Every push of acceleration, every flash of performance, every moment of comfort has a price. Technology can't rewrite physics. It can only hide it for so long. Pause, and that's where the hidden flaw lives. Not just in the battery, but in the belief that perfection can outdrive reality. The deeper truth, it's not just a flaw in the car, it's a flaw in us. Tesla built its empire on innovation, but it was powered by belief. We wanted to think we'd finally reached the future. That compromise was a thing of the past. But perfection doesn't come free, it never has. Every promise comes with a cost, and the Model X reminds us of that. The updates, the quiet drives, the polished tech, they make you forget the trade-off beneath. Pause, but the road remembers. Every time the battery drains faster than expected, every time the illimitless charge to fade, you're not just watching numbers fall, you're watching the truth surface. Because progress doesn't fail in explosions, it fades in silence. And maybe that's what this car represents. Not a failure, but a reflection. A mirror held up to us, the ones chasing better, faster, stronger. We want innovation so badly. We forget that every leap forward still lands on the same ground. Reality. We dream of infinite range, but we forget the world still has limits. The 2026 Model X isn't a lie. It's a message. It's a reminder that even brilliance has boundaries. That even the best tech can't escape the cost of energy, the laws of motion, the truth of what's real. So maybe this story isn't about Tesla at all. It's about how far we're willing to believe. Because perfection isn't real, it's sold. The future doesn't run on flawless machines. It runs on human belief, discipline, and awareness. Pause, the 2026 Model X still leads the road. It's beautiful, bold, and powerful. But when you look at it, remember this. Every dream has a drain, every promise has a price, and every truth, no matter how hidden, eventually finds its way out. And understanding that truth might just save you more than your range. It might save what drives you.